Hey guys, it's Danica here. Welcome to this Supergoop setting spray mist review. I'm going to be giving you my opinion of this product as well as a little bit of a demo. So the Supergoop setting spray mist is SPF 50 and it is marketed as a refresher for your SPF and also a setting spray for your makeup. And it's kind of like marketed as something that you would spray over top of your makeup if you're kind of on the go and you just want to, give your SPF a little bit of an oomph throughout the day. Because let's be real, it is pretty inconvenient to wipe off all your makeup, reapply sunscreen, and then reapply your makeup. So if you are in a pinch and you're out and about and away from home, it's just so much easier to just spray some SPF just to refresh and further protect yourself from the sun. It claims to lock in makeup and also help absorb oils throughout the day. Okay, so here is how it looks. So you have to shake it pretty vigorously several times just to, mix the ingredients up. And then you're supposed to spray it 7 to 10 times, 8 to 10 inches away from your face. So I would say about this far away, and you would just go. I said to do it in circles to have even coverage of your face. When I use this, I really focus on my eyes because it is hard to put sunscreen around your eyes, and also the skin around your eyes is thinner and more prone to aging and wrinkles. So I always make sure that I'm obviously you have to close your eyes, but I always make sure that I get really good coverage around my eye area. Also, it's gonna set your eye makeup. Hey guys, just spritzing some of this on. I'll show you guys. You see it? Oh. Probably about this far away. It's ideal. I put it on my neck. We good for another few hours. As you guys can see, it dries matte. My skin is very matte right now. No oiliness whatsoever. I just freaking love that. It's my favorite part of this sunscreen. So it does have a little bit of a fragrance, if any of you guys are wondering. It smells kind of like minty, and I actually did look at the ingredients, and it actually has peppermint oil, spearmint oil, as well as rosemary, so that's cool that it's naturally scented. And also, this is a chemical SPF. When you put it on, it is going to appear invisible because it's not like mineral. It's not going to have a white cast. But, just keep that in mind if you do have more sensitive skin to chemical sunscreens. I think the packaging is so cute. It looks really, really summery, especially with the yellow and the blue and the cute font. It just looks cute. And so this is the 1 ounce bottle. It is really, really tiny, but it retails for $12, which I think is fairly reasonable. And they also have a larger option. They have a 3.4 ounce bottle that retails for $28, and you can buy this on Amazon. And I'll link it below if you want to take a look at it for yourself. So in conclusion, I am really, really happy with this product. It goes on super matte. It does absorb the oils. It feels weightless and non-greasy, which to me was a huge deal because I've had a lot of kind of fails with other sunscreen brands that I've tried just with the greasiness and clogging the pores and everything, and this absolutely does not do that. I did read reviews on Amazon that if you get this in your hair, it makes your hair kind of stick together and gross. So obviously don't spray it in your hair. It's not meant for your hair, it's meant for your skin. So just be aware of that. And lastly, I just want to say, don't rely on this solely for SPF protection. There are studies that demonstrate that spray sunscreens just aren't as reliable as a conventional sunscreen in the form of a lotion. So use this as an extra layer and as backup, and mostly as extra. Okay, yeah, don't rely on just on this because you want to be giving yourself the most maximum SPF protection, and just see this as extra to oomph the SPF. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy health and beauty content, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!